Before I did the creative editing masters, my skill level for my editing was I was an assistant editor, and I also worked as an assistant lecturer within higher education. I'd worked on dramas, short film, but I just thought I was missing the element I needed to move to that next level. This master's degree has really helped me in three ways. Number one, the quality of the content that I provide to my students. Secondly, the understanding that I have of editing. And number three, for my future career progression. Before I started the masters with Ravensbourne College and Inside the Edit, I did a lot of research. After all of this research, I found that most of the other courses were very technical in nature, and I was looking for more of a creative editing course that fitted my needs, and that's why I chose the course. The most useful parts of the degree have been the inclusion of the world-class content from Inside the Edit and the way in which this is broken down into sections. For example, a section on actuality where you go through and break down every element of the craft. Also, the masterclasses that are available with the lecturers, and modules like Your Profession, where you work towards your final kind of career goals. I would definitely recommend this master's degree program to fellow filmmakers and editors. I have a young family, and the online nature of the course has been invaluable for myself because I'm able to work around these hours and my family's hours to deliver all of my assessments and assignments. Secondly, the post-production knowledge, skills that I've gained over the course of the master's program have been invaluable. I'd highly recommend the course to anyone who wishes to invest in themselves.